Most people get this wrong. They assume all premium credit cards are the same. But the surprising truth is that the Emirates MBD Diners Club card offers unique travel perks, rewards, and lifestyle benefits tailored for frequent travelers. Today, they'll break down what you need to know before applying. The Diners Club card is widely recognized for its reward points program, which can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, dining, and shopping. You won't believe what happens next. Cardholders get access to airport lounges globally, concierge services, and exclusive dining experiences, which adds real value for frequent flyers. Annual fees are higher than standard credit cards, but the perks can outweigh costs if you travel often. Emirates MBD also provides contactless payments, virtual card options, and advanced fraud protection. Points are earned on every spend, with bonus points for dining, travel, and international purchases. One limitation is that the card's acceptance may be limited outside major cities or countries where Diners Club is less common, so carrying a backup Visa or MasterCard is recommended. Additionally, while the rewards program is attractive, maximizing it requires active use and awareness of redemption options. The surprising truth is that this card shines for international travelers who want luxury perks, airport access, and flexible rewards. For casual spenders or domestic-only use, the benefits may not justify the annual fee. In conclusion, the Emirates MBD Diners Club credit card is ideal for travelers seeking premium perks, lounge access, and a rewarding points program. Make sure you plan your usage to get the most value. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you choose the right card for your lifestyle.